In this we see how to fix Vanguard WAN 81 error. So first run Riot client as administrator. So go to compatibility and run the program as administrator as click it and apply and OK. And after that go to search and search for Windows Defender Firewall. So allow Vanguard through firewall. Okay. So this you need to click it and click allow an app or features. So after that you need to go to change settings. In the change settings enable it and scroll down and check the Riot client is having or not. As it's having, if it's having means it will be in private and public mode. So if it's not having means check it. I will again allow another app and go to browse, and you need to go to open file location and need to check the address and copy the address and go back and here click browse and you can paste the address, so easily it gets the icon here. So after getting it, click it and click open and you can see the Riot client is there and click add. So you can see the Riot client is added. So I already have, so I remove it. So this is how to add the Riot client in the firewall. So after that go to run and click for Windows update. So in this we are going to check the Windows update. So if it is up to date means we need to update the Windows. So check for update. Yes, click it and check for update. Okay. So for next step, next method, we are going to run and click run and go to service.msc. Yes, in this we are restart Riot Vanguard services. Okay, so go and check the VGC is there. Yes, click it and go to properties and it should be in automatic. Yes, click automatic and it should be in running mode. So apply and OK. Yes, but make sure the service status is running mode. Yes, again click and restart it. Yes, it will restart Riot Vanguard services. Yes, then close it and now we are going to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Yes, go to run and write appwiz.cpl. Yes, click OK and you see the uninstall page is there. Here you need to go to Riot Vanguard and need to uninstall it. So don't panic, it will be reinstalled automatically once you open the Riot client. So uninstall and go to Riot client and you can install automatically.